Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, this is a very different video. I realized that starting out with my online income journey that I never really specified what my channel really is about. And I'll just give you my story. Right now I work full-time. I have a corporate job as a master data analyst, which I really love. Great people to work with. But I am looking to retire early. There's some things that I want to do that, prohibits me from doing it when you have a 9-to-5. You're very limited in what you can do. And I want to retire, early, but don't have to worry about depending on Social Security. And I, give it some thought. And what I realize is that we have to learn how to pivot in our business. Like, you might have a plan to start out with, but as you begin down the journey, as I have with my YouTube channel, and starting up my Pinterest account, I realize sometimes as you're still learning, you see things in a different light and you understand how do you want your life to look after you retire. So basically, if you determine how you want your life to look after you retire, you're going to need to imagine how do you want your life to look. And once you figure out what it is that you want to do, you can basically shape your business and have a business model to appease that lifestyle that you're reaching for. And who I'm looking to help other women of my age who are looking to retire before the retirement age. You don't want to wait and depend on Social Security. You want to live a full life, and you don't want to wait until you retire, where sometimes when you get to that point, you're so tired, you're so beat down that you can't really enjoy what time we have left on this earth. So I want to do that, and starting by saying I want to do a case study, so that you guys, I see a lot of questions on other people's accounts saying, well, how do we know that they're doing this? How do we know that they're doing that? And I want to try my hand at doing the DFY marketing, which is done for you products, and just to see if the market really is lucrative and if I can make a full-time income doing this. And I want to do the case study because I don't want to put out false claims stating that I've made $1,000 or I've made $2,000 when I haven't made anything doing it. So I figured the best way to approach this, and so that you guys can follow me in this journey, is to do a case study where you can follow me day by day or week by week as I begin to adventure on the DFY marketing, done for you digital marketing products. So right now, I'm sorry, but right now what I have on here is Instagram. I'm on an account right now, really great account, looking at one of these young ladies, Healthy Wealthy Mind, and I really got the idea from her because she was very smart. She didn't want to give false information, so she just started her journey on Instagram, just telling you, documenting things day by day. And see right here, she has day 5, but what's really great is Dear All Beginners is where she started, and I clicked on it, and you could just read. She's new to the digital marketing journey, but struggle to get engagement, and she goes on to say what DFY products she did buy and how, she overcome her journey. Now, this was her very first day. Now, I'm going to scroll up to the top and show you what happened after I'm going to give it a month. I'm going to show you a 4-week update, which is basically a month. She started posting on this Faceless page 4 weeks ago today, and it's safe to say that this has changed her life. This is what happened. So basically, in 4 weeks of her starting this page, she has made $11,438. Now, this is what I will tell you. I don't get mesmerized by the numbers. And reason why I'm saying that is because I don't know exactly what strategy she's using. I don't know. I do know that she is posting on Instagram. But I do look at the fact that there is money there. So I'm not going to base my revenue amount on what she's doing. I'm going to base my revenue amount on my actions. That is the only thing that I can control. So my thing is when you look at these accounts, I'm not saying, oh, they're lying or anything like that, because by far means, I would never do that, because I don't know their entire journey. You know, you don't judge people like that. I don't think that that's good. But what I will say is use these accounts as inspiration. Look at them and see how consistent that they're being. What are they using? You know, how are they setting up their account? How often are they posting? You know, and then you can always add other things. But the whole purpose of the Done For You digital marketing is that you are going to get a course, and you are going to follow that course, and or an ebook, and you follow everything in that ebook that teaches you how to start everything. So basically, it's like going to school to become a teacher so that you can finish school and then teach others. People always look at it in such negative ways, but that's all it is. It's like you go to school, you get the books, they teach you. And when they teach you, and you go to school to be a teacher, when they teach you, you leave school and then you go teach what you've learned at the school to the kids. It's all the same thing. Only difference is that we're adults. We have a product, and our product is the university. And then when we teach, we have a class. Our class is our students. And those students, for me, would be women who want to retire early from their corporate job. So, I am going to start this journey next week. I'm going to be setting up my Instagram account and setting up the reels and understanding. And I want to give you behind the scenes, and I want to teach you, show you what I'm doing and how to get these digital DFY courses or ebooks, and how to customize them, and maybe even add a little bit more value if you have the knowledge. I do have a lot of knowledge about internet marketing, so I do feel like I have a lot to offer and a lot to teach. But I just really want to do this case study, so I hope you guys hang in there with me. Come back and see me next week as we go through this journey of digital marketing. Okay, so until then, I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.